Oh my God, yes. Everyone loves this. We're only on 15 and I think this is the best. I honestly think this is the best advent calendar yet. Oh, this is good too. This is one of my favorites. These are so good. Number 20. Can it get any better? Oh my God, yes it can. No, they didn't. This is just excellent. It's so good. Hi guys, welcome back to the Space NK YouTube channel. If you don't know me, my name is Fleur. I've been making YouTube videos for 16 years now. And today, Space NK have actually asked me to show you the very first sneak peek look at their advent calendar for 2025. I am so excited about this. It's a moment every year when Space NK drop the advent calendar, and I've got the first look here, so should we unbox it together? So this year, I think the packaging is actually my favorite ever. Honestly, I love it. I dressed to match. Hope you guys appreciate that. And it is £260. There are 35 products in here. 26 of them are full size. So should we have a look? It might take me a while actually to look at the numbers because there's a lot going on here. The print is a lot. Number one. Oh, it's a good one. I feel like there's 26 full-size products in this. This is gonna be amazing. I feel like it's gonna last all year. Tatcha Brightening Serum. I actually have not used this before, but I love Tatcha. And it is, like I said, full size. Most of these products are full size, right? So this is a vitamin C and ferulic acid serum. Gorgeous. Number two. No pressure. Number two. Here it is. Here it is. Oh, Lisa Eldridge Kitten Lash Mascara. I have tried this before and I love it. I actually love everything I've tried from Lisa Eldridge. She is a fellow OG of YouTube, but obviously an OG of the industry as well. This is such a nice mascara. I have this and have used it, and her mascara is excellent. Number three. Ooh, K18, the hair oil. All of their products are good actually, but I love the oil especially. This stuff is so good and seriously potent. You have a full size of this, it will last you, I swear, all year, because you need like 2 drops. It's one of the most concentrated hair oils I've ever used. So good. Number four. Number four. Number four. Here. Medicate. Advanced peptides. This product is new. This actually only came out this year, and I use it numerous times a week. I have to say it's one of my ultimate favorites. I use this at least 3 times a week. It's honestly the nicest texture. If you want to really plump and hydrate your skin, it's just absolutely dreamy. My fave so far. 5. Can anyone see it? This is a big one, guys. This is a big one. Naturium Niacinamide Cleansing Jelly, 5%. I actually have not used this before. I've used a couple of things from this brand, but I've heard really good things about this. Can't wait to try that. Do I get to keep this one? I hope I get to keep this one. Number 6. There's 2 in here. I'm not going to pretend that I didn't know what was in this one. One I can't tell you about because it is a new brand to Space NK that hasn't launched yet. I actually can't believe how much newness is in this calendar, to be honest. But there is also this, which is a new product. Milk is obviously not new to Space NK, but this product is brand new. This is the Milk Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray. I cannot wait to try it. The Hydro range from Milk is so good. So much newness. Okay, number 7. Number 7. Ooh, full-size Westman Atelier. Doo-doo. It's one of their sticks, I think. Oh, that is a good one. This is a really good one. This is one of the Westman Atelier blush sticks. Doo-doo this is my color. This is literally it's like the same color as my dress. These are really unusual as well because they're matte. This type of product is normally like a dewy texture, but the Westman ones are matte and they last such a long time on the skin. Number 8. Where is number 8? Here. Number 8. Oh, it's a massive Olaplex. Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother. This stuff is so good. This is their leave-in and it is excellent. If you like Olaplex and you haven't tried that, you need to. Number 9. There's 2 again. I think these are good ones. Woo! And drop them on the floor. Laneige Cream Skin Serapeptide Mist. This is so nice, gorgeous. I love Laneige. And I kind of love that Space NK have dropped this in because it's like winter sun vibes. Caribbean Shores body lotion. It smells like the beach, honestly. So delicious. Number 10. This looks like it. Ooh, Glossier. Birthdaybalm.com. I feel like these take me way back to like the early days of YouTube. This is an icon. I feel like this was the thing when they first launched it, and the birthday one smells like birthday cake. It's so good. 11. Oh, there's 2 again. Oh my God, I've wanted to try this. Okay, so we have Kosas Hot Liner, which is their hyaluronic acid contouring lip liner, and this is in cherry red. I haven't used this color before, but these are so nice. If you're not like a typical lip liner kind of person, they're really good because they're not drying. They're like really hydrating and lovely. And Gisou, which I think is another brand that's new to Space NK. There's so much newness going in here. And this is the honey infused lip oil in strawberry sorbet. I've tried the original one of these and I love it. Just dropped some on the sofa. Let's ignore that. This is so nice. I feel like it looks scary in the tube, but actually when you put it on, it's a gorgeous, just a very subtle berry tone. And I see why they've put them together, because if you put that over the top, it's just going to be a really nice combo. It smells gorgeous too. Number 12. Where are you? Number 12. 11, 12. It's a big one. Oh, it's another double. Oh my God, yes. Color Wow. This is one of my favorite products. Dream Coat Supernatural Spray, so good. I feel like everyone loves this. And then Dreaming, which I've never actually used this before. This is the Advanced Repair Resurfacing Treatment, which if the Dream Coat is anything to go by, this stuff is gonna be amazing. Number 13. Oh, what is this? Dyson Cheetah-san, and I have not got my head around these yet. This is one of the Fiona Franchimon hairpins. I ordered some of these and I have not mastered them. This is my sign that I need to master how to use them, because you watch the demos of this product, I swear to God, it's like a wizard. It's magic. It's a magic trick for this little tiny pin. They weigh nothing and they can hold up like your entire hair. Number 14. Oh, wow, that is a big product. This, I feel like this was a massive launch for Space NK this year, or was it the end of last year? So Then I Met You, the Living Cleansing Balm. This stuff is so, so nice. It also just has the most gorgeous fragrance. We're only on 15 and I think this is the best, I honestly think this is the best advent calendar yet. Okay, my fave, Ulla Henriksen, the Banana Bright Eye Cream. This is one of the best eye creams out there. I love Ulla anyway as a brand. I just love his products. This is so good because it's a vitamin C eye cream, but it has a slight kind of golden tint to it. So it has like a real brightening effect under the eyes. It's like actually will help with brightness over time, but actually also instantly brightens as well. And Paula's Choice Pro Collagen Peptide Moisturizer. I actually have never tried this product, but it looks good. And the Eve Lom Rescue Mask, which is like an OG. 16, again, there's 2. Charlotte Tilbury, I mean, come on. This is so good. The Beauty Light Wand. This is probably one of my favorite beauty products ever anyway. But these are honestly, they're so nice, so blendable. I feel like most people watching this might have tried them anyway because they're just so popular. And it's not the matte one, it's the shimmery one, which in my opinion is the best one. And Rare Beauty All of the Above Weightless Eyeshadow Stick. Oh, this is a nice color. What color is this? Integrity. Integrity is the color. Oh yeah, this is a perfect color. This is a perfect Christmas color. Beautiful. It's like a gorgeous kind of bronzy champagne. Love. These are so good as well. Once they're on, they do not move. 17. Oh, it's a big one. From The Ordinary, the Glycolic Acid Exfoliating Toner. Old school. I feel like this is one of the original Ordinary products that they first launched with. Nice. 18. Oh, this is a good one. This is Caudalie, but it's not just any Caudalie. This is Premier Cru Eye Cream. So this is like the premium offering from Caudalie. I love Caudalie anyway. They're like one of my like real old favorite brands when it comes to skincare. But the Premier Cru line is so nice. And this is their eye cream, which is just divine. It has like the metal applicator, so you squeeze a little bit out, and it is honestly the most gorgeous texture, but you get the cooling of the applicator too. So good. What else? That is really good. I feel like it's just getting better. Are we on 19? I think we're on 19. I feel like I find them faster when we're not filming. Summer Fridays. Oh, this is good too. This is one of my favorites. The Blush Dreams lip oil, the Dream Lip Oil. These are so good. So I feel like the Summer Fridays lip balm gets a lot of airtime, but I actually love the lip oils because they're really pigmented. Even compared to similar products, they have really nice payoff. They're a really good option for that like halfway house between a lipstick and a lip oil. So good. Number 20. Can it get any better? Oh my God, yes it can. Sol de Janeiro Delicia Drench. This is in my shower right now. It is one of the dreamiest body washes. Honestly, I love Sol de Janeiro. I feel like maybe I'm a little bit too old for it at times, but I love it. It smells so good. This one in particular is so nice. Number 21. There's 2 in here. The Inky List. I actually haven't used this. This is the Ectoin Hydro Barrier Serum, but I love Ectoin as an ingredient. It's like super hydrating, and the Inky List is one of my faves too, so I'm excited to try this. Nice, so nice. I've used the Inky List polyglutamic acid serum for ages, and this feels like a step up from that. Like it's a richer version of that. And the OG, one of the first Drunk Elephant products, the Bestie number 9 Jelly Cleanser. Cute, very cute little travel size, Christmas travels. 22. Feels weird to be saying about Christmas now, but it's weird. I'm in this like limbo land with an advent calendar in August. 22. Where are you? Here. Oh, it's a tiny one. Oh, tiny but good. Hourglass, full-size lipstick in Sahara. These lipsticks are amazing. I love Hourglass, and they just remind me, they nail their Christmas collection every year, is just chef's kiss. So for me, Hourglass is a brand that just reminds me of Christmas. This is so nice. It's like a real like terracotta red. Nice. 23. Oh, this is like the mic drop products when you find this one. Why isn't this 25? What is going to be in 25 if this is in 23? Augustina Spada, the retinol serum. I haven't seen anyone put the retinol serum in an advent calendar yet. And this is the retinol serum, which is not normally, I feel like this is a newer product for them, but normally they have the cream or the original serum in the advent calendars. I haven't actually used the retinol, and this is the most exciting product so far. I feel like so many people buy the advent calendars specifically for the Augustina Spada products as well, to try them, because they're such a good way of getting a lot of products, but those products are so expensive. If you're not like willing to like invest in them, it's such a good way to try them out. 24. 24. Oh, teeny ones. Okay, perfumes. I feel like we'd been lacking some perfumes, and here they are. Fleur Vanilla Skin. This is amazing. If you like warm, gourmand fragrances, this is so nice. I love like a spiced vanilla fragrance at Christmas time. This is good. And then DS and Durga Debasser. I've never tried this one before, but let's try it. Oh yeah. That is so nice. And they're actually very, very different as well. 7.5 mil and 9.5 mil. So like perfect handbag sizes. I feel like there's such a good selection of everything. Skincare, makeup. Number 25. The last and final box. What do we think is going to be in here, guys? No, they didn't. No, they didn't. La Mer, the lip volumizer. I am the biggest fan. Like the La Mer lip balm is the one, and this is like the fancy version of it. Oh, this stuff is, I think, 70 or 80 pounds for a lip balm. I am blown away. Honestly, if you've never tried the La Mer lip products, you're in for a treat. These are so, so nice. They have like a slight minty vibe to them, and they are so smooth, so hydrating. When I first tried them, I couldn't believe how much money they were for a lip balm, and then you try them and you're like, okay, they're worth it. Okay, so this is the full lineup. To recap, 35 products in total, 26 full size. It's £260. I'm blown away. Like every year, the advent calendars seem to get bigger and better, but genuinely the selection of products in this is so good. You've got Augustina Spada, you've got some serious skincare in general, right? So, I mean, my personal highlights, the Medicate peptide serum, I love and use that myself, but so many new things that I'm excited to try. The Paula's Choice Collagen Peptide, also the Tatcha Vitamin C. I'm really excited to try that. The fragrances, only 2, but they're both really, really, really nice. And it's also nice to see a little bit, I feel like there's more makeup in here than there was last year. Summer Fridays lip oil, a highlight for me. Full size cleansing balm, also a highlight. The La Mer lip balm, all of it is so good. Because even the ones that are not full size, they're the ones that you wouldn't necessarily want in full size anyway. This is just excellent. It's so, so good. This is the start of the Advent season. The waitlist is officially open as well if you want to sign up to be the first to shop the Space NK Advent Calendar 2025. The link will be below and you will get an email when it goes on sale so you can be the first one to get one before it sells out, because it usually sells out. That is it, guys. I feel sad it's over. It feels like Christmas has come early, but that is your very first sneak peek at the 2025 Space NK Advent Calendar. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sad it's over because it felt like Christmas, but I will see you soon. Bye.